Hey Nick, it's Jason Jani. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing real good. Hey man, I just wanted to let you know I'm recording a quick video and I'm calling you to let you know that you won the RANE One controller. So congratulations. I know that I'm sending you out an email linking you and the boys from AGI Pro DJ where you can send them your information and they're going to send it over to you. But I'm just recording a quick YouTube video and I just want to say congratulations and thank you for participating in the contest and just I hope that you're pumped, man.
Yeah, that's sick. I'm beyond pumped. I've been looking at this controller for a long time, and when I saw it come through on the email, I was like, oh my god, I gotta try. I mean, it's an awesome controller. What they did with the motorized platters, I never got to play on motorized platters before, so I'm just really excited about it.
So what do you play on typically now? Like CDJs or like an
Yeah.
SZ or a SRT?
So I'm a resident at a bar in Hoboken, and we play on 2000s and a 900 Nexus
Okay. Yep.
mixer. So
Yep.
just like a standard club setup.
And which bar
Um,
is that in Hoboken?
80 River.
Okay, dope. Yeah, yeah, very cool. I've played
Yep.
there before over some time, what seems like a lifetime ago. you know. Yeah, dope. Very cool. All right, awesome. So I'm gonna send a quick email out, and I'm gonna link you and Kevin from AGI Pro DJ. They're gonna send out all the stuff. And just hold on a second. Let me just cut this video. But I just want to say congratulations. You won the motherfucking RANE One, and I'm just pumped for it.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Jason Jani.
All right, so what's up, everyone? My name is Jason Jani. Welcome back to my channel. I am pumped to be able to release to you the winner of the RANE One controller giveaway. And I was planning on doing this live on the channel as well as on Twitch tonight, but the winner was actually notified through the UpViral system. UpViral is the platform that I used to conduct this campaign, and there was over 1,200 applicants that had entered to win this giveaway. So shout out to everyone that took the time to enter the giveaway and be part of it. Much love to every single person. And although you didn't win this one, be on the lookout because I plan on doing a giveaway each and every month. So you will be able to win here, and I have a special kind of hookup for you if you are looking to add a RANE One controller to your overall arsenal of gear or any equipment for that matter through my crew at AGI Pro DJ. And they've arranged to have a special kind of coupon code, which I'm going to put in the description field down below. It's called Exclusively Jani, and that coupon will get you some VIP access and some dollars and cents off of your next order through them. And they are just my go-to. They're really super dope guys. They didn't gift me anything. I actually paid for this controller, and they're going to be drop shipping it to DJ Trizzo for winning this overall contest. So if you didn't win, here's the good news. I got a hookup in place for you. So if you do want to place an order, you can reach out to my dudes at AGI Pro DJ and they will take care of you if you're looking to buy one. If you didn't win, be on the lookout because I'm going to do additional contests each and every month right here on this channel, and more info to come out and be available very soon. And I learned a lesson or two just for using a platform like UpViral. You know, it's a new platform for me, and it was suggested to me by a number of different resources of people that have done their homework on, online contests and giveaways, and it's been a really cool experience to learn from. I will be creating a video on the overall platform in some time ahead of us, and that's it. So if you're new to the channel, recently subscribed or whatever, I hope that you will visit back quite frequently because I am releasing a lot of content geared to help you be a better DJ or build a more solid DJ business in the entertainment industry. I'm releasing a lot of information based on my own personal learnings of being a performer myself, as well as being a business owner that has respectfully accomplished a lot of things I'm super proud of. And if I can share with you and pay it forward, we together can help push our industry forward. And that's something that I am all about doing. I want everyone to be the absolute best they possibly can be in this industry. And what has taken years to learn, some very, very easy and valuable lessons I'm willing to share with you on this channel in hopes of helping you get a little bit further, a little bit faster, and that's what it's all about. So if you can get down with it and you can support it, I hope that you will consider visiting me back here on this channel in the time in front of us, not just for the giveaways, but just for the great content. And I hope that you will help spread the word and share it out to the community so that more people can jump on board and support the overall hustle here. So to finish this out, shout out to DJ Trizzo. Much love for winning this contest. Shout out to everyone that took the time to enter this contest. I super, super, super appreciate each and every one of you guys. And if you want to see any type of content, or you think you have an idea that I should consider for creating content for this channel, I'd love to hear from you. So please feel free to throw a comment down below or hit me up privately on Instagram at Jason Jani and I, and I will do my best to create some dope content to help you and our industry grow forward faster. So shout out to DJ Trizzo. Thank you for everyone for joining me here in this contest and for checking out this video, and be on the lookout for more video content dropping right here on this channel really, really, really soon. Thanks.